sometimes I wonder if it's even any relief to see just how hot it is in other places as well. But the reality is, if we're all experiencing this, I mean, we're all really feeling this extreme heat coast to coast, as we just saw in that report, Erin.
I mean, it really just kind of has been exceptional, all the heat reports that we've had. You just look at the map right here. Excessive heat warnings where you see the pink highlighted. We've got the heat advisory where you see the orange. And I mean, it's stretching all the way up closer to Minneapolis right now. New York is feeling it, as you saw from Bradley's package there. And of course, Phoenix has been reporting temperatures over 110 degrees for almost the last month. We still have this heat advisory for the next couple of hours. It's set to expire at 8 o'clock tonight, and I do think we will be done with the heat advisory at least for the next 24 hours. Feels like temperatures, though, could be as high as 108 degrees. Didn't look that bad at last check, particularly at DFW. Feels like 101 right now, but the temperature is sitting at 100, and I do believe we've hit 101 today. South winds at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 21 miles an hour. So, of course, you've got the hot temperatures, the low humidity, the gusty winds. That elevated fire threat, it's going to continue as these temperatures continue to stay in the triple digits along into the west of 35 here for the next couple of hours. Mid and upper 90s to the east, but feels like temperatures closer to that century mark. Lows tonight, upper 70s and low 80s expected tomorrow. We're going to see temperatures in the triple digits along and to the west of 35 once again. It does look like, though, just kind of mixing everything together, we may not reach that heat advisory criteria for tomorrow. I don't want you to let your guard down, though, because it's still going to be a very hot day. There is still going to be noticeable humidity, especially to the east. And then we get into the weekend and the temperatures are going to warm back up. So that line drawn is where that elevated fire threat continues along into the west of 35. Notice, though, that we've sort of highlighted areas to the east. We're still dealing with dry conditions. You still have gusty winds and high temperatures. The humidity not quite as low to the east, but there is that slight risk for that elevated fire threat. So just because we've been saying along into the west is where it's worst, it doesn't mean that there aren't going to be there isn't the potential for issues to the east of 35. And then just looking to the weekend forecast, 101 tomorrow, 102 on Saturday, and then we jump to 104 on Sunday. Just looking at the extended forecast, we may need excessive heat warnings of our own. Once we get to Monday, triple digits, 105, and that is forecast every single day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week.
Yeah. We got to be real careful.
I think I just want to see the 2-day forecast, maybe the 3-day forecast. Skip the rest of that stuff.
Erin, thank you.